It's finally the day to reveal our black hero. It's not a normal hero, it's a superhero for all the content creators, especially motovloggers. And that is the all new GoPro Hero 8 Black. In this video, we'll be looking at the specs, unboxing, we'll be fiddling around with some settings, and we'll be shooting some sample videos. So stay tuned. Welcome everybody, hope everyone is doing absolutely fine. This is your boy Neeraj and welcome to my YouTube channel Ride with Neeru. If you're wondering what a GoPro Hero 8 Black is, it's an action camera. An action camera is a small sized compact camera which can literally fit within your palm, and it can be mounted on different objects and can be used to shoot various videos. Especially it can be very handy when you are shooting adventurous shots, like even if you're river rafting or riding. It can be used for any purpose. If you're new to this channel, then please do consider subscribing. We'll be shooting a lot of videos related to travel, trips, bikes, and it's gonna be super fun. I love the box packaging of the GoPro Hero 8 Black. There's a transparent box. This is not a glass, this is a hard plastic. They have placed a camera in between, which looks pretty sick. It's very good, I liked it. Gives me a premium look. And in the sides they have given some key features. This has a 12 megapixel camera. It supports 4K videos up to 60 fps, 1080p at 240 fps. This is cool. Hyper Smooth 2.0, Time Wrap 2.0. I am very eager to try this out. We have live streaming at 1080p, live burst, super photo plus HDR, raw photos. It can be very helpful to perform post processing. That's cool. We have voice command touch, so we can take our GoPros up to 10 meters into the water. I think if we have an waterproof case, I think we can take it even more further. So that's also pretty cool. We have an GoPro app with which we can sync up and we can transfer photos or even start or stop videos. We'll try this out as well. Now let's go and unbox it. Okay. This is a GoPro, and we have a clip-on mount over it. I think we can unscrew it. We can keep the screw aside. We'll keep the box aside. We have the camera. So we'll keep this aside. And look what's inside the box. Okay, we can see the cable, C-type cable, a battery, okay, this is a curve mount. That's it. Okay, we have some manuals. Stickers, manuals. That's good. So this is our GoPro. It's pretty good. We have displays in front and back. We have our power button in the top. We have which is a mic? I think this must be the mic and this must be the speaker. This must be the power on off. And we have a battery compartment in the side, which we can just open it up, and if we want, I think we can remove it as well, so that if we need to put this into an Ulanzi case. I think we can pop it out, and we have our SD card slot and USB-C type port over here, so it's good. And I love this part wherein you have this highlight marking over here, so we get to know if the compartment is open or closed. If we just press it and close it, it's locked. That's pretty good. I like this part wherein you need not require any additional case around to mount it, so it's inbuilt with the camera. That's pretty good. And even if we break this, I hope we'll be able to replace it, because I can see some screws over here, so need to check that out, but let's hope we use it carefully. So the camera is good. My first impression is thumbs up, a good one. Now let us put in the battery inside. I guess this is right. Okay, I have an memory card over here. So this is the SanDisk memory card, 128 GB. Let's put it inside. Let's peel off the sticker and power it on. I don't think there must be charge inside the battery, but it's pretty shocking. Mostly every time we get any devices, there'll be some juice in it, but I think there's no charge inside. Let's put this into charge and we'll try it again.
A few moments later.
Now we have charged our GoPro, so let's turn it on. That's good. We have the GoPro logo. Okay, let's select the language as English. Okay, we'll agree to the terms and conditions. We'll turn on the GPS. Okay, so now we have to sync up with the GoPro app. So the UI is pretty neat. Swipe down to unlock. Okay, so when we swipe down, we get the speech recognition, on off, slow motion, lock, unlock, grid selections. So we have multiple options here. When we go to preferences, we have tons of options. Okay, I think there are lots and lots. Okay. So there are some standard set of configurations which is already been set. So for standard, you have the 1080p, 60 fps, wide lens. So yeah, multiple configuration set. If you want anything additional or if you want to customize, you can press this plus button and then you can set whatever you want, and in later stages you can just use that. So we can customize in existing as well, so that's also a cool feature. We have quick options. This UI is clean, so clean. You have the slow-mo. I think this is the different frame sizes. So here we can zoom in, I guess. Yes, zoom in, zoom out. This is the hyper smooth option. We can turn it on or off. So if we want, this is for video setup. If we want to change the modes, we just have to click the button. You have the photo, we have the time lapse. So it has a pretty much similar look and options. Okay, I think it has changed the orientation. So we have the battery percentage, the memory card details, the storage present in the memory card. So yes, this is pretty much good. We have a good set of informations in our front screen. It's pretty good. So now let's go out for a spin and check out the clarity outside.